Hi, I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney, and usually in these videos, I start out with a bunch of shtick to get you hooked into the video, but I'm not going to do that today. I want to talk about a upcoming transition for part of my practice. For the last 3 years, I've been the co-chair of the American Bar Association's Intellectual Property Litigation Committee, and yesterday was my last meeting of the committee as co-chair. I'll be moving on to another position in the ABA, but really had an enjoyable and rewarding experience for the last 3 years as co-chair of the IP Litigation Committee. That leadership role was a big change for me compared to other roles I've had in other bar associations and other organizations, largely because, and I spent 8 years as a subcommittee co-chair on that same committee. And when you're a subcommittee co-chair, you have to do the work of putting together programs, writing articles, getting other people to write articles, really organizing the programs. And then when you're the chair of the whole committee, you're just trying to herd people from the subcommittees who are putting together the actual programming, but you can't really do it yourself. And that was a bit of a transition because I was like, well, I could do this and I could do that. But things weren't going to work that way. And if I was trying to run all the programming myself, I was never going to get any actual work done at my firm. So I really learned a lot in that role. As I said, I'm moving on. I'd like to thank a couple of people who were really helpful for me. Angie Foster, who was a predecessor of mine as the co-chair. Two of my co-chairs that I worked with, Mike Patton and Chad Stover, who were really helpful in helping to move the committee along, and also Matt Acosta, who's going to be taking over my role for the next 3 years. And in the meeting yesterday, Matt said that he had really large shoes to fill, and I think he's right. These are size 12. See, I moved the shtick to the middle and not at the beginning. I also like to thank the ABA staff who's been great, but especially the subcommittee co-chairs who really have done a lot of work over the past 3 years to put all these programs together. So I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney. If you have any questions about trademark copyright law, intellectual property litigation, or how to get more involved in the American Bar Association, please reach out to me. Just wanted to share this message with you today. Thanks.